Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, in this week's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me as I make a chicken pasta salad for the first time. For this dish, I'll be improvising and using a combination of my favorite seasonings and other ingredients we had. Also, I didn't want to use mayo, so I ended up using a creamy salad dressing instead for the sauce, but you can use whatever sauce you like. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to take the chicken that I've seasoned like weeks ago and I had frozen and put it in a pot. I'm going to pour sugar up. So now you got water with your seasonings in it. And just pour that over the chicken. This is what the chicken looks like. Put it to boil now. I'm just going to turn it over. We cut the meat in half so that it'll be smaller pieces so it's quicker to cook and it'll be able to cook through easily. The chicken should be shredded while it's still warm, but not when it's just off the fire. So let it cool slightly first. It's running this way, so it'll be easier to pull apart going that way, if that makes sense. So kind of just pulls apart easily. You go like that. When the 10 minutes was almost up, I added the spinach to the pasta to let it cook for a bit. If you would like a more detailed look on how to cook pasta, so the boiling and straining process, you can check out my other pasta videos, which I'll link in the description box below. I added the cranberries to the pot to soften them, so I let everything cook for about 2 more minutes and then I took off the fire. Keep in mind, the longer the pasta sits to absorb the flavors of the ingredients and the spices, the more flavorful it'll be.
This is phenomenal. Like, everything comes together. It seems like it's balanced. It has a lot of flavor. It tastes really good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already but are interested in seeing more of my videos, make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day. Until next time.